Hi, my name is Danny, and I'm production director here at Words of Life Christian Center in Bronx, New York. Earlier this year, we installed our brand new LED screens together with Rent for Event. The process was incredibly easy and very simple once we got started. Their sales team reached out to us, and after helping us with an event early in the year, we decided to install our brand new LED wall with them. Since then, we've been able to produce incredible experiences here for our community, and we will continue to do so. When we first ordered the equipment, we thought maybe we'd have to hire contractors or work on something or the other to get it done. But it turned out that their team was fully ready to install everything on our behalf, and it was the smoothest possible installation we could have expected. We're very grateful for this opportunity, and as we move into other locations and expand our services, we will look forward to working with them in the future, and we fully encourage you to do the same. Thank you.